last year, my sophomore year in volleyball, we went to one of our rivalry high schools, and during the varsity game, the opposing team, their student section, they were saying racial slurs, they were like making racial movements, and they were being just so disrespectful to us. And we had a lot of Black African American women on our team, and they were being racist to them. They weren't being racist to like our Latinos. They weren't saying anything about it, but they were being so racist, and they were calling them like different, really wild names.
I 100% think that there's been an uptick in the use of the N-word, especially, and other forms of racism, like microaggressions, or most of the time just being put out as jokes and stuff within friend groups even, and some people are okay with it, even if it's something that could be offensive to them. They don't really see it as that, but I think there's been an uptick, and I think social media also has something to do with that.
Definitely we need to see, like, especially our district having the same approach to when it comes to that, and just not kind of leave it there and be like, oh, well, they only said it this once, but kind of like reinforcing that it's not okay to say, and it really affects people.
For me, it just makes me mad. Like, are you joking? We are supposed to be becoming mature adults right now. These stories need to be told because some people don't know, or they don't understand at all what their words mean. They don't understand that what they're saying is making an impact. They just think it's a joke, and it's not a joke. It's real.